In this video, we are finding the surface area of pyramids. So the pyramids in this chapter are pyramids with square bases. So there's 5 sides. There's the base, that's a square, and then there's the 4 triangular sides. So in order to find the surface area of these pyramids, what we want to do is we want to find the area of the base and add that to the area of the 4 triangular sides. So the first thing we're going to do is find the area of the base, and since it's a square, we are multiplying length times width, and that is 4. Now we want to find the area of the triangles. So over here on this side, we see that the triangle has a base of 2 and a height of 3. So what we're going to do is half base times height, which is half of 2 times 3. So 2 times 3 is 6, and half of that is 3. So there's 4 sides, and each side has an area of 3. So we're going to multiply this 3 by 4, and that is 12. So now we are going to add the square base with the areas of the triangular bases. So 4 plus 12 is 16. And that is the area of this pyramid. Okay, number 3, we have another pyramid with a square base. This time the base is 10 by 10. So what we're going to do is multiply those 2 sides together, and that equals 100. Now we want to find the area of one of the rectangular sides. So the base is 10 and the height is 15. So to find the area of this triangular side, we're going to multiply half times base, which is 10, times height, which is 15. So 10 times 15 is 150, and if you divide that by 2, you get 75. And there's 4 of these sides, so we're going to multiply this by 4, and we end up with 300. So now we want to add that with this square base, so 300 plus 100 equals 400. And this is the answer for number 3. Okay, so for number 5, our square base is 3 times 3, so we are going to multiply those together, and so the base has an area of 9. So this triangle on the side has a base of 3 and a height of 4. So we are going to find the area of that by multiplying half times base, which is 3, times height, which is 4. So 3 times 4 is 12, divided by 2 is 6. And there's 4 of these sides, so 6 times 4 is 24. So this is the area of all 4 sides combined, and we're going to add the square base to that, and that is 33. So this is the answer for number 5, 33. Okay, number 7, we have a square base that is 4 by 4. So the area of the base is 4 times 4, and that is 16. Now we want to find the area of this triangle right here. So we see that there's a base of 4 and a height of 9, and the area for a triangle is half base times height. So half of 4 is 2 times 9 is 18. So that's the area of one side, and we're going to multiply this by 4, and that is 72. So now we're going to add the area of the base to that. 72 plus 16 is 88. And this is the answer for number 7. Okay, number 9. It's a little bit different because we're already given the surface area, but we're not given the height. So what we're going to do is we're going to find the area of this square base, which is 7 by 7, and so 7 times 7 is 49. So now we can subtract that from 171.5 in order to find the sum of the 4 triangular bases. So 171.5 minus 49 equals 122.5. So this is the area of all 4 bases together. So in order to find the height of one triangle, we want to divide this by 4. So 122.5 divided by 4 is 30.625. Okay, so we know that this is the area of one triangle, and the formula for a triangle is half of base times height. And we know that the base is 7 because it's right here. And we don't know the height, so we're going to leave that as h, so 30.625. So over here, the base times height is being divided by 2 or multiplied by 1/2. So to do the opposite of that, in order to undo that, we're going to multiply both sides by 2. So that's 61.25. And that is 7h. So now we want to divide both sides by 7. And that is 8.75. So the height is 8.75. And that is the answer for number 9. And that is it for this section.